Stop filling your safety engineer resume with a boring list of college courses. Because global recruiters do not care that you pass thermodynamics. They only care if you can actually manage chaos. In the real world, most freshbee.tech graduates in fire technology and safety engineering submit a generic piece of paper that looks exactly like their university syllabus, listing their GPA, their basic modules, and a few generic hobbies. And then they wonder why their application gets instantly rejected. Think of your resume exactly like a hazard control system. If it doesn't immediately eliminate the recruiter's doubt within the first 6 seconds, the system fails. Corporate hiring managers at top-tier oil and gas, aviation, and construction firms are not just looking for someone who memorized the National Building Code. They are actively hunting for cross-disciplinary engineering skills and absolute proof of real-world pressure testing. For example, if you have a foundational diploma in something like electronics and communication engineering before moving into your fire tech degree, you absolutely do not bury that at the bottom. You put it front and center as your superpower. Modern fire suppression systems, predictive IoT sensor networks, and autonomous firefighting drones all run on complex microcontrollers and signal processing. So an engineer who understands both the chemistry of fire and the circuitry of the detection system is a massive, highly paid dual threat. But technical skills are only half the battle. The absolute golden ticket is proving your psychological command presence. When an industrial disaster strikes, workers don't look for a textbook, they look for a leader. Instead of writing good communication skills, you need to show that you have stepped outside the classroom to get your hands dirty. They want to see the strict, structured discipline and leadership under physical stress that comes from being an NCC cadet, showing you can follow an incident command structure without hesitation. They want to read that you volunteered as a safety marshal at a high-speed motors port track like Natrax, because that proves you understand kinetic energy management and high-stress emergency response. Outside of a controlled lab, they want to see that you took the initiative to organize a live fire evacuation mock drill for an institution like Intellect Heights Academy, because that proves you actually know how to manage human panic and execute a flawless assembly. Point roll call when the alarm rings. You must format these experiences using the STAR method: situation, task, action, result, quantifying exactly how many people you evacuated, transforming your resume from a passive list of studies into an active record of operations. Stop writing a syllabus, start engineering a proof of survival on paper, and make sure to subscribe to Decode to master your professional career in the safety industry.